What is up, guys? This is Vic Mobile Mechanic. Good to see you again. I got a Ford Focus. It's a 2014 Ford Focus. The guy took the keys, so I can't tell you what's the odometer say, but looks like the code is P0128 thermostat malfunctioning, I guess. And so he wants to change out the thermostat housing. We're going to change the thermostat housing here. Here's the thermostat housing, and doesn't have a part number. Oh, here's a part number. 51480. It's the whole thermostat housing with the gasket thermostat. We'll change that guy out. So far I've done the draining of the coolant. Yeah, so far I've drained the coolant, and now I'm working on this belt tensioner, which is 2 10 mils, one up here and one down a little bit further. Here's one bolt. Now I'll get the top bolt. Here's our tensioner. One bolt and then 2 bolts. They're both the same. And there's your thermostat housing here. So we got to get this 10 mil and that 10 mil, and I'm not too sure if there's another 10 mil at the bottom. We'll see. Yeah, there's gonna be another one at the bottom, or on the bottom. That's gonna be a tight one there. I don't know how I'm gonna get to that one. I guess I'm gonna have to undo the hoses first, and then we'll get to that bottom bolt somehow. You can be in my way, so let me move y'all over a little bit. Let's see if I can get to this thing. Oh, good. Okay. I'll probably undo this one too. Alright, so I unhooked this hose here, and then I unhooked that top hose to the thermostat housing. Now I'm gonna try to unhook the lower thermostat housing hose. See how that goes for me. Looks like that could clamp up, but just don't. I'll just take it out of the way. So I pulled this clamp into the thermostat housing, and that's how I got it off, or so far. That's why I'm gonna get it off. Now I'll put my pliers on there, wiggle this sucker around a little bit, and it should come right out. I'm gonna push it a little further down just to give me a little bit more room here on the thermostat. And then those are, looks like 10 mils. No, they're 8 mils. So that's how it looks now. Way down here, took off that hose, took off this bottom hose, and then I got one 10 mil here, one 10 mil on the other side, and then one 10 mil on the bottom that I had to get. I mean, or you know what? I don't even think they're 10 mils. They might be 8 mil. I thought I was missing my 8 mil. I found it. All right, let me try to get this clamp out of the way now. Try to find this bottom fucking bolt. Let's see where it's at. We're sitting like that. Oh, it's on the side over there. So it's not all the way to the bottom, it's just gonna be on the side somewhere. Over here, yonder. It's gonna be a beaut to get to. See if we can connect it and then deal with that. I can't see it. I can feel it a little bit. I think I'm gonna get a longer extension. Not too much longer. Actually, that's all I have is a little longer. We'll see what we can do with this guy. I might have gotten it there. Once you get it, you don't want to let go. Get the son of a bitch all the way out. See if I can get it out now. Hold in to get it in its place. Should have probably got it from down here. I felt it go in. There we go. And there, one more other bolt. Same thing to this one. There, bolt right on the top of that paper towel. Let's see if we can get the other bolt in. Ooh, what the hell? Why is that there? Wasn't on the other one, I don't think. No, it isn't. Let's see if I can get it in there somehow. I might have to use my fingers. There we go. Might be there. Might be there, guys. Is plastic. Of course, like I've told y'all before, with plastic, take your time with it. Don't tighten it up too much. Alright guys, now we're going to start with putting a tensioner on, or back on. And we'll start again with our bottom bolt. That's the spot. Oh, this is the spot. Here. And they're just 10 mils, so shouldn't be too bad. Again with these, not too much torque. Alright. Now let's see if we can get our belt on here. Which I think and get this guy back on. Alrighty. Now we can go with our tensioner or and get that belt back on. We're on there, boys. Alright guys, we're still here with the Ford Focus. Looks like mileage or odometer. Uh-oh, lost it. Let's see where it's at. Maybe this guy. No. Let's see if we can. Oh, there it is. 123, 121. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. So 123,121 or 123,121 miles. Nice. All right, guys, we're gonna call it good with this one. It's good to see y'all again. Stay tuned for the next ones.